So question number 25, which is question from computer network. I am reading out this question for you. Consider a long-lived TCP session with an end-to-end bandwidth of 1 Gbps. 1 Gbps means 10 to the power 9 bits per second. The session starts with a sequence number of 1, 2, 3, 4. The minimum time in seconds rounded to the closest integer before the sequence number can be used again. So they want to know what is the wraparound time of this connection. So what is wraparound time? Wraparound time is like if I am using a sequence number to send a data. So after how much time we can again use that sequence number. Like I am sending 5 byte of data. Every data is numbered with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this only. So I can use the sequence number 1 after sending the 5 byte only. So after sending 5 byte, when it is completely sent, then again we can use 1. So the time gap between sending two same sequence number is the wraparound time. Okay, so they want to know what is the wraparound time of this connection. So please note that question down. I will solve this question now. So we know that sequence field of a TCP header is 32 bit. So 2 to the power 32 unique sequence number are possible. So wraparound time is total data by bandwidth. What is the total data? Total data means we can send 2 to the power 32 bytes. Okay, and the bandwidth is 10 to the power 9 per second. 10 to the power 9 bits per second. So if we simplify this thing, we will get 34.35 second. That is rounded off to 34. Okay, so like this we can send 2 to the power 32 bytes of data where each byte is uniquely numbered. Like first byte is numbered 1, second byte is numbered as 2, like this only. So after 34 seconds we can again use 1 as a sequence number. If you have any confusion, please let me know in the comment section. If you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe. Thank you.